Welcome to my channel. I'm Trisha Gupta and today I'm going to swatch and review Mars Cosmetics' newest launch, their Mellow Mousse Lip Tints. I was so excited when I saw this launch because I like moussey lipstick formulas, but they are not long lasting. But this one is supposed to leave a tint, so I think it can be more long lasting than normal moussey lipsticks. So I'm super excited to try this. One more thing, I'm not sure, but I think they are trying to dupe like Tipsy Beauty matte lip balm. वैसा एक NYX का भी आता है, I'm not sure, but this one is not a lip balm. They have made it clear it's a moussey lipstick that leaves a tint. So saying that, let's get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a capsule shaped packaging, and on the back side the shade is mentioned. Now the applicator is a very simple applicator, and you get 4.5 grams of product. I personally don't like the smell, but it's not that irritating. Now the first shade that I'm trying is 04 Sprinkle. It's a very pretty medium dark pink shade. Now the formula was gliding on very easily. It's very creamy, moussey, very similar to the old Mars moussey matte lipsticks. And just look at that shade. It's so pretty. I just love it. I will show you guys a close up so you can understand this shade better. It's a very pretty medium dark pink shade. This will suit fair to medium skin tones really well. The formula is not transfer proof. The formula does transfers very easily, as you can see on camera. But now let's check the tint. So I'm using a paper tissue to remove this tint, and this is what the stain looks like. It's a very pretty shade. Here's a quick close up. Looks really pretty, and I will say the stain is pretty even. But मैंने wet wipe भी use किया and पूरा tint निकल गया था wet wipe से. Now the next shade that I have is 05 Gummy. It's a very pretty red shade. So right now when I am posting this, it's a very new recent launch. It's only available on Mars website. I wasn't able to find any proper swatches, so I randomly picked few shades. I wasn't expecting a red shade, but it's very pretty. I won't lie, I like this red shade, but it's not gonna be my everyday shade. It's a very pretty medium dark red shade. It's not extremely dark, it's not extremely light. It's a bit on that brighter red side. Honestly speaking, I can't understand why brands are not giving us proper swatches for reference. That would be really helpful. But anyways, I really like this shade. Now I love this shade, but let's check the tint. So honestly, I was shocked. I was expecting a more dark red kind of stain, but it's more towards like rosy pinkish kind of shade, like red mixed with pink. It's a very pretty rosy pink tint. I won't lie, I love this lip tint ka shade. It's prettier than the lipstick itself because it's so natural and pretty. Now the next shade, and my personal favorite shade, is 06 Fluffy. It's a very pretty warm neutral mix kind of pink, and that's my personal type. I honestly love neutral mix with warm kind of pink. One more thing, the lighting is changing a lot today. Depending on the lighting, the shade can look different. I depend on natural lighting, so sometimes I am getting sunlight and the shade looks much more warmer. When I am not getting enough sunlight, it looks more towards that cool neutral undertone. So please understand, but this shade is so pretty. I just love how pretty it looks. It's a very pretty pink shade. I think this will suit fair to light medium skin tones without lip liner. And here's a quick close up for you guys so you can understand the shade better. Just look at it. It's so perfect, like perfect mix of warm pink and neutral pink. I just love it. It's so pretty. This is my personal type and I love this. Now let's check the tint. I will say कि इसमें मुझे as compared to others सबसे कम amount of tint मिला है. Maybe because it's a bit lighter than the other shades. Anyways, once you wipe, it will fully come off. Same for each and every shade. Now the last shade that I have is 08 Toast. It's my second favorite shade. It's a very pretty warm brown shade with a hint of that orangish undertone, but it's not super orangish. All of a sudden I'm getting extreme sunlight. Very shocking, but please ignore it. I will show you guys a close up so you can understand the shade better. But the formula is gliding very smoothly, gives medium pigment payoff. Very good formula. Now this shade is so pretty and this will suit so many Indian skin tones, especially my medium and tan girlies will love this. Now here's a quick close up for you guys. You can see it's a warm brown shade with a hint of that maroonish reddish undertone and a hint of that orangish undertone, but it's not extremely orangish. One more thing I would like to clear, I do get a bit of that blurring effect. It's very moussey and creamy. It does blur out my lips. Even that stain gives you a bit of that blurring effect. The only downside is the stains are not long lasting. अगर आप कुछ खाते हो तो स्टेन भी निकल जाएगा. Huge chance है. They are not smudge proof, but it's so pretty, looks very natural, pretty kind of shades. And here's a quick extreme close up of my lips so you can understand कि बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई आउट भी नहीं करता है आपके लिप्स को, थोड़ा सा ड्राई आउट करेगा. डू अ लिप केयर बिफोर हैंड. एंड हेयर्स अ क्विक हैंड स्वॉच फॉर यू गाइज. एंड मैं हैंड पे भी आपको एक बार टिंट वापस से दिखाऊंगी लाइन बाय लाइन. So this is what the stains look like. Very pretty, not extremely pigmented, but एक बार जब मैं wet wipe से remove करूँगी fully निकल जाएगा. Here's my final opinion. First, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is quite good. It's really simple and pretty. Now, let's talk about the formula. The formula is very comfortable to wear. It's a very good, moussey, creamy sort of formula, very similar to their old Mars Moussey lipsticks. It gives medium pigment payoff. You need at least 2 layers to build the pigment. I want to clear one thing. It's not like a lip balm that it will hydrate your lips, but it's very creamy and moussey, so it won't feel drying and it won't dry out your lips. I love the formula, but it transfers a lot. It transfers very easily. I want to clear that. Now let's talk about the tint because I know that's the most exciting part. And बहुत ही even stain देता है. Depends आप कितने देर रखते हो and कितनी quantity में apply करते हो. The tint is actually increasing the staying power and I really like it. But even the tint is not smudge proof, waterproof, or oil proof. I want to clear that. It's not like a normal water based lip tint. Water based lip tints get absorbed by your lips, so it's fully transfer proof and more long lasting. This one will come off. Like the stain is not smudge proof, so if you rub it will come off. There's a huge chance कि आपको थोड़ी स्मजिंग दिखेगी. अगर आप गलती से ऐसे भी करते हो ना तो थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट स्मज हो सकता है. सो कीप इन माइंड कि आप इसे टच ना करो. अगर आप ऑयली मील खाते हो तो वो स्टेन भी निकल जाएगा, बट स्टिल इट्स मोर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग देन अ नॉर्मल मूसी लिपस्टिक एंड आई रियली लाइक द स्टेन एंड एवरीथिंग. तो मुझे पर्सनली ये पसंद आया. वन मोर थिंग, ये आपके लिप्स को कितना ज़्यादा टिंट करेगा डिपेंड्स कि आप कितनी क्वांटिटी लगाते हो, कितने देर रखते हो. इन सारे फैक्टर्स पे भी डिपेंड करता है. अगर आप लगा के तुरंत निकाल दोगे तो टिंट बहुत कम रहेगा. अगर आप कम क्वांटिटी में लगाओगे तो भी टिंट कम रहेगा. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. मार्स के मूजी मैट लिपस्टिक्स ऑलरेडी इतने अच्छे थे. जस्ट इमेजिन दैट फॉर्मूला विद अ टिंट. आई होप कि इसमें और भी शेड्स लॉन्च हो. माई पर्सनल फेवरेट इज द शेड नंबर 06. इट्स सो प्रिटी. इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी पिंक शेड. I honestly love the formula. It's very comfortable and I love the fact they added a tint. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. It means a lot that you guys watch my videos. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.